Guys, Mike and Ian from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here today with a common problem on these 3.6 liter Chrysler engines, which I'm going to let Ian tell you a little bit more about.
Hi everybody. Okay, so we've got an older model, 2013 and down, 3.6 liter engine. Common issue with the engine oil bypass valve. The engine oil bypass valve is built into the oil filter housing at the top of this plastic cage. Over time what happens is the bypass valve, which this is the valve itself and then the spring for it, these little plastic tabs get brittle and break off, and then oftentimes when you're doing an oil change it'll either pop out, or of course if the last guy didn't bother looking when he was being careful changing the oil filter, it's sometimes missing, like in this case. So this is what's necessary. Our friends at Dorman have come up with a repair kit, because from Chrysler you actually have to buy the whole kit and caboodle, the entire filter housing with the engine oil cooler and everything. So this is a good repair.
That part is over $200 plus the labor to install it, which I believe is 2.5 hours labor. So you're looking at a $500 repair versus this repair kit from Dorman. So I'm going to take care of this today, but if you are doing your own oil changes and you have this come off in your hand, it's very important, because without this, the oil is going around the filter, not into the filter. So it needs to go through here, which is what this valve allows. Without the valve, the oil just flows around. Urban Automotive, safety first.